Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need to open a compatible keyboard now and go straight to the emoji panel. This is the fastest route. Tap the emoji icon, pick one emoji you want as your base, then look for the mixing or sticker preview. It appears automatically after selection. Once done, long press or tap suggested blends to reveal combinations. Make sure to keep the keyboard updated so new pairs show up. If you can't see combinations, switch to a text field and try again. You'll now craft the mashup by choosing from the suggested stickers that appear over your selected emoji and swipe left or right until one fits. If you want a specific mix, use the emoji search or pick from recent emojis to influence suggestions. This steers the engine towards similar designs. Once you find a result you like, tap to insert it into your message and save it by copying to clipboard or letting it populate frequent items so you can, to finish, paste the created emoji sticker into your chat or social app. Many keyboards let you save the sticker image to gallery or copy it to clipboard for wider use. If an app strips stickers, paste as image or share via file transfer. If combinations stop appearing, force quit the keyboard and reopen, check updates, or reinstall the input app that usually restores sticker generation. If problems persist, make sure system language settings and permissions allow sticker and clip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.